Guys, welcome to Bettye's cooking channel. I have 1 cup of blended oatmeal flour, 1 teaspoon of salt in there, and I added the oatmeal flour in the bowl. I'm gonna add like a pinch of stevia. Chop up a half an onion to go in this. I'm gonna use 3 whole bell peppers. These are the small ones. I'm gonna chop that up in my blender. 2 cloves of garlic. But notice how big these are. So if you have the small ones, use about 4 of them, okay? And I'm gonna also add that to the blender. Lemon juice. Okay. A tablespoon of lemon juice. See how finally everything is chopped for this impossible. All right, I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna add some teaspoon of oregano. I'll go ahead and add just a little rosemary out of my garden. Let me go get it. I'm gonna use about that much. I decided to get 1 sage leaf out of the garden. So if you have the dried sage and rosemary, go ahead and use that. I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon of Creole seed. It makes me sneeze every time. So if you don't like spicy, you might want to omit this because it is kind of spicy. But I love spicy food. I love spicy food. It's making me cough. And about a teaspoon of black pepper. You want to adjust these recipes based on your taste, because you might not like a lot of pepper, you might not like a lot of spicy stuff, so just omit it. Just add what you like. Okay, I had a little sweet baby Ray's, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that, about a teaspoon, and then I'm gonna add the remainder of it on the top of the meatloaf. Adding 2 allspice, and let me just break those down. I broke that down with my mortar here. Okay, let me go ahead and add that to the meatloaf. Okay, let's scrape it out of there. I think that's all I can get out of there. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit on the counter for 2 hours before I place it in a 350-degree oven for about an hour. Covered it with some aluminum foil while it marinates for 2 hours. I added the Baby Ray sweet barbecue sauce to the top of the Impossible meatloaf. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes.